Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Becky. So this is going to be another weekend vlog. I'm about to go on the road to get some stuff done. I want to do a bunch of stuff, giving you a rundown. So yeah, I'm about to go on the road right now. So this is a quick little OOTD. I'm wearing this mint color bodysuit with this black joggers pants, and then I'm wearing my Tory Burch sandals. Simple. So yeah, I'm about to leave out now, so yeah, I'll see you once I'm in Maven.
What's the first coach to Mountain Bay tomorrow morning?
Repeat?
First coach to Mountain Bay tomorrow morning.
6:20.
6:20. How much is it?
3,400.
3,400. And you get drinks and things as well?
What's the welcome? And if the Wi-Fi is working, compliment your Wi-Fi. Hopefully it is. So you say, oh, agent, there is working and all those things. So if the Wi-Fi is working.
This Maven heat is horrible, like terrible. Like, I don't know how to describe this heat. This heat is really ridiculous. It's also crazy. But I just came from the Knutsford Express. I sent off a package, so I'm making a bit of progress. I have like 2 more things to get done, and then that's it for today. So I will see you guys soon. Hi guys, so it is Sunday, October the 2nd, and I didn't vlog yesterday because I went to the funeral. There was nothing to vlog really, so basically I didn't vlog. So now it's Sunday the 2nd. I want to go to church today, but I'm watching the weather conditions. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and pack up some care packages. So my family have this, like, you know, foundation where they donate some back to school stuff to some children at church and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and package all of the items. I'm just gonna show you guys some of this stuff. So this is like a pencil case. They have like glue stick, they have like school glue, you know, crayons. They will get like kids vitamins, but there was a slight delay this year because the packages, like, you know, just arrived in Jamaica recently. So it's just a bunch of stuff. Let me show you guys. Like, these are all the items on the bed, and I have like bolts right here, and ruler, and then the bag that they're gonna go into. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and make them while you guys watch me prepare the items. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I don't know, I'm just packing some stuff. I don't know, like, if it should be in like a specific order or whatever. I'm just pack some things there, man. Just put one pencil, one pen in each, and then the bag. So this is a sample of one. So this is a sharpener, an eraser is at the back, pencil, a pen, crayon, and then I'll add school glue. The first bag. This is first bag. Let's get a book. And put it in here. And then I'll add the glue which is inside. Also, the multivitamins, I'm going to package these out into small bags, so each person gets around 5 each. Yeah. So first one is so these are all the bags. This is around 15 bags with all of the items inside of it. Yeah. So now these should be put in some Ziplocs and then added to the bags.
Holy marks. Because if we are ignorant of holy marks, then he will deceive us, he will defeat us. But when we know the strategy of the enemy, we can stand up and fight as a soldier man. Can you worship him? Can you give him praise?
Hallelujah!
Can you worship the name of Jesus?
Hey guys, so I just made it home from church and I'm about to make some dinner. I'm not making a typical Sunday dinner, I'm just making some curry chicken with white rice. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm about to cut up my seasonings and everything. The lighting in the kitchen is really dark, so I'm just using the lighting on my phone. Girl, my phone. That's crazy. Look, without the light, with the light. So I'm just using this right now to get some additional lighting. So I'm going to cut up some seasonings for the curry chicken. I've already seasoned the curry chicken, so I'm just gonna cut up my carrots, my onions, my scallions, and that's about it. So yeah, just go ahead and watch me make this dinner.
She moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone, started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole, and then get to sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix, shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit, me I'm supporting this shit. It's a story, came from my life, and I'm recording this shit. I'ma just give it to you, the rest, instead of me throwing this shit. You know you important this shit, you know I'm supporting this shit. We used to do pornos when you would come over, but now you got morals and shit. I got like 4 on the wrist, and an adorable kid. I got a Drake in the studio, and I don't just mean that I'm in this bitch. Please make the most of this shit, don't just come close to some shit. I give you this bread, you rub me some head, and then you go blow up a bit. She moved out of state, shit going left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone, started a business. But daddy is not.
So guys, this is what the food is looking like. While I was moving it the gravy started to run around there, but that is it. Some curry chicken with white rice and some corn on the side with a slice of pear. I'm just gonna watch a movie right now, have my dinner, and then I'll have a Smirnoff Ice or a Red Stripe beer. That's it, like the melon flavor though. That's it for my dinner. So let me just go ahead and taste a little bit. You would have to get some of this in real life. So good. Love me some curry chicken.
scenes. They tryna blow my head up in the smithereens, but mama taught me you ain't nothing but a humble being. And they just cooked my dog like the Philippines. That road rage turned into 15. Go to chapel if you scared like the Sistine. My name dirty, but my...
So this is what the new sheet is looking like. I just turned this into something that looks kind of like fall, and the material of this is like, it has like a comforter material, so it's really nice, and I like the snowflakes on it. So cute. Say hi to my nephew, guys. This is my nephew. Say hi. Yeah, that's my nephew. And then this is just like a decorative pillow that I put on. It has like my face on it and everything. I got it as a birthday gift. I really love it. I'm thankful for it. Hi guys, so it's a new day. I am currently at the hospital. I'm about to donate some blood. I'm donating blood for the very first time, and I'm afraid of injections. So I'm scared for my life, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. So I'm donating blood, as I said, and I'm scared. So I'm just gonna walk you guys through the process and let you guys know what to expect when you're donating blood, like what you should do, what you shouldn't do, and I will also tell you how I feel after. And then I also want to go to the hardware to pick up some stuff, like 2 other items, and then if I'm feeling well, I will go ahead and do my nails and get a pedicure because one of my nails break. So you know, I probably just get a gel polish on my regular nails instead of putting acrylics on. So I will just show you when I'm in the process, and I will talk to you guys once I'm out of the room and let you guys know how I feel. I don't know if they're going to allow me to record on the inside though, but I'm outside in the waiting area to go inside. They said I have one more person before me and then it's going to be my turn. So I'm just sitting here waiting. So I will see you guys very soon. So guys, I just made it home, and long story short, I couldn't donate the blood because my iron level is low. So another time. Anyways, this is what my nails is looking like. Really cute. I like the rhinestone details on it. Really cute, and I have matching toes. So this is where I'll end off today's video. I hope you guys like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for my next vlog. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.